M of W, Maintenance of Way All the Way. Written and illustrated by Andy Fletcher. M of W, Maintenance of Way All the Way was released at the ASLRRA convention in Minneapolis, Minnesota on April 12, 2026. The Kershaw brush cutter trims the trees and brush to get the job site clear. It's time to work on the tracks. The maintenance of way crew is here. The Brant High Rail backhoe is digging a trench where a new culvert will go. This will improve the drainage around the tracks by easing the flow. The Gradall track shovel moves stones, each one a heavy load, and builds the embankment so the ballast will not erode. The Cahaba High Rail truck does its job just right. It carries ties and unloads them at the job site. The Racing Dual Anchor Adjuster Spreader spreads the plates. That's how it makes its living, and adjusts the tie plates just right so old spikes can be pulled and new ones can be driven. The MOW Gorilla Spike Puller pulls spikes so the ties can be replaced. With its efficient movement, it cuts down on waste. The Racing Spike Reclaimer retrieves the spikes to keep the job site clean. It works in harmony with the spike pulling machine. Here's a tie that needs replacing that the Nordco Tiesaurus operator sees. Time to remove that tie and chop it to pieces 1, 2, 3. Maintenance of way crews work to build and maintain track in all kinds of weather. The R.J. Corman CX Spiker drives spikes to hold the rail and ties together. The Holland Mobile Welder welds rails. Quick as a flash, it's done. It repairs rails to make them stronger and joins two rails into one. This hopper car is part of the Herzog ballast train. It brings new ballast for the roadbed and is painted like a candy cane. The Nordco hydraulic switch tamper packs ballast beneath ties with great ability. Tamping ballast for a firm roadbed makes for track stability. The Knox Kershaw ballast regulator shapes the ballast, giving the ties support and ensuring the roadbed will drain. It takes a lot of preparation to get the right-of-way ready to run trains. The Racing AM3 anchor applicator applies the anchor onto the tie with great care so that the anchor, tie, and rail line up neat and square. The newly laid track needs to be settled. Here comes the Harsco track stabilizer to apply smooth pressure to the metal. The Lorem rail grinder extends the life of the rail by restoring the surface of the track. Once the track is restored, we will see trains heading to the terminal and trains heading back. The Holland hammer truck rebuilds rail frogs and diamond crossings. Railroad track needs routine maintenance, just like our teeth need brushing and flossing. The signal maintainers in this Union Pacific High Rail keep us safe by maintaining the crossing gate. They also remind us to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Remember to often hydrate. The Brant Power Unit loads used ties to be recycled into gondolas to head on their way. Thank you to all the men and women who work in maintenance of way. This California Northern High Rail has a Holland track inspector to test the work when it is done. The track work has passed inspection. Great job, everyone! As I was finishing the first edition of this book of my drawings of maintenance of way equipment, I had the great opportunity to see several of the different types of equipment I had drawn for the book. Here is the Racine Railroad Products Dual Anchor Adjuster Spreader in Davis. Here are several photos of the Nordco Tysaurus. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my reading of M of W, Maintenance of Way All the Way. Please enjoy other books in this series. This is the first book of my Maintenance of Way equipment drawings. I am very grateful to Holland Company and to Cahaba Trucks, who first commissioned my hand drawings of their Maintenance of Way equipment in 2022.